Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard sugar candy. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Essential equipment includes a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a candy thermometer. Don't forget your favorite flavorings and food coloring to make your candy truly unique. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of corn syrup in your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat and stir gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Watch your candy thermometer closely. We're aiming for precisely 295 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect hard crack stage. The moment your syrup hits 295 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This is where the magic happens. Quickly and carefully stir in your desired flavorings and a few drops of food coloring. Work swiftly, as the candy will begin to set. Then, pour the hot, vibrant mixture onto a prepared silicone mat or lightly oiled parchment paper. Be cautious, as the syrup is extremely hot. Patience is key for this final step. Let your beautiful candy cool completely and harden at room temperature. This usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on thickness. Once it's fully firm, you can easily break the large sheet into smaller, delightful, bite-sized pieces. A small mallet or the back of a heavy spoon works wonderfully. Store your finished hard candy in an airtight container to keep it fresh and prevent stickiness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.